Hello everyone, in this video lesson, you are going to learn about synthetic division. And our objective for this lesson is to perform division of polynomials using synthetic division. Alright, now we have two ways in dividing polynomials. First is the long division and second, synthetic division. This synthetic division is a lot more easier than the long division. So commonly, ito talaga yung ginagamit. Okay, now let's try the synthetic division by dividing these polynomials. 5x cubed plus 10x minus 13x squared minus 8 divided by x minus 2. But before we start, make sure na yung polynomial natin, yung dividend natin, is in standard form. Paano mo yung standard form? Make sure to arrange every term in the polynomial in descending order according to its exponent. So magbabase tayo sa exponent. Dapat magkakasunod-sunod yung exponent niya in descending order. Yung mataas muna, pababa. Okay? Now, ano yung mga exponents natin dito? We have 3, 1, 2, and pag constant, ang exponent na, ang variable na exponent is x raised to 0. So, ang exponent dito is 0. So, magkakasunod-sunod ba? No. So, ang gagawin natin, ano yung pinakamataas? Ang first term natin, yung may pinakamataas na exponent, which is 5x raised to 3. Ano yung susunod sa 3? 2. So, ang second term naman natin dapat, negative 13x raised to 2. Anong susunod sa 2? Itong 1. So, ang third term natin is 10x, followed by the constant. Okay? So, you have to remember that, this is true both sa long division and synthetic division. Okay? Now, after arranging the terms, let's identify now yung mga coefficients ng dividend natin. Ano yung mga coefficients ng dividend natin? We have 5, negative 13, positive 10, and negative 8. They are the coefficients of the dividend. After that, maglagay tayo ng ganito sa part na to, and then 2. Now, saan galing itong 2 na to? Nanggaling ito doon sa divisor natin. Hanapin natin yung 0 ng divisor natin. So, just equate x minus 2 is equal to 0, and then solve for x. Now, our x here is 2. Right? Next, after that, ang unang gagawin is to bring down yung first coefficient natin na 5. So, that will be 5 here. Pagkatapos nyan, we have to multiply this 5 doon sa 2. So, 2 times 5 is 10. Saan ilalagay yung 10? Dito po. 10. Okay? After nyan, we have to add this down. So, negative 13 plus 10 is negative 3. Of course, yung sagot natin, ilalagay natin dito. Negative 3. Then, same process, balikan natin. Yung sagot mo, ilagay mo dito, i-multiply mo nung naandun. So, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Saan siya ilalagay? Dito na naman ulit. Negative 6. Add this down. 10 plus negative 6 is positive 4. Okay? Ang sagot mo dyan, i-multiply mo ulit doon. 4 times 2, you have 8. Saan na naman yung ilalagay? Dito po. So, 8. Add this down again. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. Okay? So, wala na tayong numbers pa dyan. So, tapos na yung division mo dito sa part na to. Now, itong kung ano man yung number na andito sa last part na to, that will always be your remainder. Okay? Now, since 0 yan, ibig sabihin eksakto lang. Wala tayong remainder. Now, paano na natin to gagawing polynomial? Ano ba yung variable natin? Yung variable natin is x. So, mag-start tayo dito. Mag-start ka maglagay ng x, tapos yung exponent mo, mag-start dapat sa 0. So, for x raised to 0, sunod dito is x raised to 1. Ang sunod naman dito, x raised to 2. Basta sunod-sunod lang yan 0, 1, 2. Kung sakaling meron ka pa dyan, magiging naman siyang x raised to 3. Intindihan po? And then, let's write it now. 5x cubed minus 13x squared plus 10x minus 8 divided by x minus 2 is equal to 5x squared minus 3x. 3x raised to 1 can just be written as negative 3x kahit wala ng 1 dyan. And then x raised to 0 is 1. So 1 times 4, 4 na lang yung naandyan. So wala na tayong lalagay na remainder over divisor dito kasi our remainder here is 0. Okay? Another example, let us divide 3x raised to 5 minus 7x raised to 4 minus 4x squared minus 2x minus 6 and x minus 3. Well, notice that the dividend does not have all the exponents of the variable x, right? So we have here 5, 4, we are missing x raised to 3, we have 2, we have x raised to 1, we have x raised to 0, right? Now, to include all the coefficients of variable x in decreasing power, we should rewrite the original problem like this. Okay? We have to attach zeros on those missing x's. Now, since we are missing x raised to 3 here, ang ilalagay natin coefficient niya will be 0. Okay? Now, after that, we have to write now the coefficients. 3, negative 7, 0, negative 4, negative 2, and negative 6. And then we have here 3 from our divisor. That's, we equate 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0, and we solve for x, that's 3. Okay, next is to drop the first coefficient 3. Then multiply 3 times 3 is 9. Then add this one, negative 7 plus 9, that's 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Add down, 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 times 3, 18. Negative 4 plus 18 is positive 14. 14 times 3, that's 42. And negative 2 plus 42 is 40. 40 times 3, that's 120. The negative 6 plus 120 is 114. This 114 will be our remainder. Okay? Now, let's write our variable. This will be x raised to 0, x raised to 1, x raised to 2, x raised to 3, and x raised to 4. Now, let's write our answer. 3x raised to 5 minus 7x raised to 4 minus 4x squared minus 2x minus 6 divided by x minus 3 is equal to 3x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 14x plus 40 plus our remainder 114 all over our divisor x minus 3. So this is now the answer. Now here are some practice exercises. Divide the polynomials using synthetic division. Number 1, 6x cubed plus 23x squared minus 38x minus 15 divided by x plus 5. Number 2, x raised to 4 minus 13x squared plus 10 minus 5x raised to 3 divided by x plus 1. And last, 8x raised to 4 minus 4x squared plus x plus 4 divided by 2x plus 1. I want you to pause the video and give these problems a try. Once you're ready, keep watching the video to check if your answers and solutions are correct. Okay, let's answer now. Number 1, our polynomials, 6x cubed plus 23x squared minus 38x minus 15 divided by x plus 5. As you will notice, our exponents or the powers of the polynomial are already arranged descendingly. And also, we do have all the exponents of the variable x. So no need rearranging the polynomial. Just proceed to synthetic division. Now, applying the process of synthetic division, we will get an answer of 6x squared minus 7x minus 3. We have 0 as our remainder. Okay? Now, I hope you got also the correct answer. But if not, kindly take time to analyze in which part of your solution is incorrect. Next, for number 2, x raised to 4 minus 13x squared plus 10 minus 5x cubed divided by x minus 1. Now, in this problem, we have to rearrange the terms of the polynomial descendingly, and also there's a missing term, the term with x raised to 1. So we have to attach 0 here as the coefficient of x. Okay, now this will now be our solution for applying synthetic division, and we have our remainder as negative 7. So our final answer is x cubed minus 4x squared minus 17x minus 17 minus 7 over x minus 1. Okay? Now here is our last problem. 8x raised to 4 minus 4x squared plus x plus 4 divided by 2x plus 1. Now, we don't have the term with x raised to 3 here, so we have to rewrite this polynomial into 8x raised to 4 plus 0x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 4. And our divisor, 2x plus 1, equate to 0, that will be negative 1/2. Well, don't worry, the process is just the same, only that you're going to deal with multiplying a number and a fraction. Okay, let's start. Drop down 8, then multiply this 8 to negative 1/2, that's negative 4. Then add this to 0 plus negative 4 is negative 4. Multiply negative 4 times negative 1/2, that's positive 2. Then negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. And negative 2 times negative 1/2 is positive 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 times negative 1/2 is negative 1. Then 4 plus negative 1 is 3. 3 now will be our remainder. Okay, now let us write our final answer. 8x raised to 4 minus 4x squared plus x plus 4 divided by 2x plus 1 is 8x cubed minus 4x squared minus 2x plus 2 plus 3 over 2x plus 1. But if you're going to observe in division, in checking whether our answer is correct, we multiply the quotient and the divisor, right? Now let's try multiplying 8x cubed and 2x. That's 16x raised to 4, and that is not our first term. Why is that so? It is because 2x plus 1 can also be written as 2 times x plus 1/2. And this x plus 1/2 equating to 0 is this one, negative 1/2. So we still have 2 here. So what we need to do is to divide the quotient, this one, by 2. We still need to divide the quotient by 2, so that will be 4x cubed minus 2x squared minus x plus 1. Still our remainder is 3, right? So this is now our final answer for 8x raised to 4 minus 4x squared plus x plus 4 divided by 2x plus 1 is 4x cubed minus 2x squared minus x plus 1 plus 3 over 2x plus 1. Thank you. I hope you learned something about synthetic division.